Hello friends and welcome back to the Elegance channel. So friends, today I will talk about CHIEFTEC new Pro Midi Series PC cases. So friends, the CHIEFTEC has announced Pro Midi Series available in two distinctive models to meet different user needs. The Pro Midi Q offer a quieter experience and making it perfect for workstation and home environment, and its sound damping panel and efficient cooling setup ensure both performance and peace of mind. In the Pro Midi TG feature a clean embrace front panel and modern internal structure designed to support high performance build with tempered glass side panel and pre-installed PWM fan, and it is ideal choice for who both design and function. So friend, the CHIEFTEC Pro Midi Q present an elegant and subtle brush front panel design complemented by a modern interior layout optimized for cooling, and it features sound absorbing material on the side and front panel to provide a quiet user experience, and the 120 mm PWM fan are pre-installed at the rear. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.